Hi guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you back to my channel. My name is Samira. Basket waistline effect top is what we'll be working on today. You'll be needing your fabric. Please subscribe, like and comment. Also turn notification bell to get notified to see my video upload on my YouTube channel. This top is going to have a skirt, is a pencil skirt that we are going to use to wear it, and that's what we'll be working on next time on my channel. I want you to stick around to the end of this sewing tutorial. Let's dive in. So I'll be folding my fabric, and I'm going to fold my fabric into 4 parts like I told you before. It's the easiest way to cut your front and the back piece all together at once. So I'll be folding my fabric into 4 for us to start our measurements, guys. So to start with, I'll be subtracting from my tape 5 inches to get my full length of my top. So don't forget, I'll be removing just 5 inches from the tape to mark 23 inches, which is the full length of the top of the style that we are making today. It's going to have basket effect at the waistline of the top. So that's the 23 inches for the full length. I'm going to use my ruler now to draw the lines together, guys. So I'm done with that. I'm going to mark 1 inch for the zipper allowance. I'm giving it 1 inch for my zipper allowance. Here is the neckline, is by 3 inches. So I'm going to mark 3 inches for the neckline. Okay. So from that point that I place my tape to the depth of my neckline is 1.5 inch. Then I'm going to connect it from the point of 3 inches to that 1.5 inch. Then I'm going to go down by 1 inch for my armhole. Then I'm going to use my ruler to slope it down, as you can see me doing in the video. So after that, I'll be measuring my bust measurements, and it's around that area, guys. So that's where my bust is. So I'm going to measure 34 inches, then adding just 1 inch as the allowance that I'm going to use to sew it. Why the waistline is here, so I'm going to mark 26 inches, then adding also 1.5 inch for the allowance. So I'm through with the measurements for that. So I'm going to just connect all the marks together, as you can see me doing in the video. Guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and guys, you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to also turn notification bell to get notified. So there's going to be basket effect here, so I'm going to place my tape to mark 5 inches. Then I'm going to use my ruler to roll it down from that point to the edge of the fabric to give it that effect of basket effect that is going to have at the waistline. So guys, don't forget to ask your question. You can drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply you. And I'm through with the measurements. It's very simple, guys. So I'm cutting it out now. And after cutting, we head over to stitch the neckline together. Then we are going to also cut the sleeve and also join the body parts together. So guys, we should be grateful for life, because when there is life, there is hope. I believe the things that we are unable to achieve this year 2025, God's willing, God is going to perfect it for us come 2026. I pray I will be here to smile. I know it's not easy, but let's have hope. So you can ask your question, you can ask me in the comment section. Please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and like also. So guys, I'm cutting the front and the back piece all together, and I believe we are going to win together come 2026. Okay, so you can see how it is now. I'm through with the cutting, so that's what I'm showing, guys. I'll head over to stitch the neckline together. Before then, we are going to cut our sleeve. So here is the sleeve cut. It's going to have striped sleeve on it, and I'll start by folding the fabric first. I'm going to cut out the parts that I'll be using. I'm going to just go ahead to measure the width. It's just 1 inch. It's going to have tiny sleeve, not too tiny. So it's a striped sleeve that is going to have on it as a sleeve. So I'll just draw a straight line. So don't forget the weight is on 1 inch. Okay. So after that, I'm going to take the measurement of the length of the sleeve, guys. So the length is 13 inches. So that's the length measurement, and it's by 13 inches. And after that, I'll head over to stitch it together. Then I'm going to also turn it out, iron it. Then we are going to attach it to the armhole of the top that we are making. It's a trendy style. It's trending all over the world, and I have similar tutorial on my YouTube channel also that you can also watch. Guys, please don't forget to hit the red button under my video to subscribe, and you can also give this video a thumbs up, and you can also turn notification bell also, so that you can get notified from my channel to see the new tutorial that I'll be having on my channel. You'll be the first to see it, to watch, and also learn from it. So that's it. So I'm through with the cutting, and I have my 2 sleeves here, so I'll just have to turn it the way you're seeing me doing. So that's how I'm going to stitch it. Then I'm going to iron it. So next, let's join our body parts together. So here is how to join your body parts together. So I'll start from the bust. The bust is 34 inches, then you divide it by 2 because you are joining your body parts together. I have similar tutorial on my channel on how to join your body parts together. So whatever measurement that you have for your bust now is what you are going to mark as your bust measurement. So now is the waistline, and it's by 26 inches, also divided by 2. Then you mark what you have on both sides of the fabric, and that's how you are going to sew it when sewing it together after connecting it from your bust to your waistline. And you are going to stitch it on this line that I'm drawing. That's how you are going to run your stitch on it. So guys, don't forget to watch this video to the end of this sewing tutorial. Here I've joined the front and the back parts all together. The 2 parts, I've joined them together. So it's for us now to attach the sleeve on it. Okay, so this is how to attach your sleeve after measuring it. I think I have excess of it, so I'm going to just trim it out, the one that I don't need. So I'll just trim it out, as you can see me doing in the video. So after trimming it out, what I have left is 11 inches. So I'm going to use ½ inch to sew when stitching the sleeve. So that's how I'm going to, that's what I'll be using to stitch it, guys. So I'm going to pin it with my pin first, then after that I'm going to stitch it well with my machine. So I'm going to do the same at the other side of the sleeve also. So after this part, my dress will be ready. Like I said, if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and if you have not comment, please you can comment also. Let me know what you think about my sewing tutorial, and if there's any improvement or any suggestion, please let me also know in the comment section. I'm ready to improve also from you guys. So guys, keep on watching this video. Like I said, this tie is trendy, and I want you to make one for yourself. I want you to know how to cut this tie. I have similar tutorial already on my channel. You can also watch it, guys. And don't forget to also turn notification bell to get notified, also to see my next video upload. So once I'm through with this, I'll head over to stitch it well, and I'm going to also show you the final look of the top that we are making today. Don't forget, it's a basket effect top that is going to have striped sleeve on it, and I'm using crepe fabric to achieve today's sewing tutorial. Hey guys, I wish I can hug you all right now. I had ups and downs here on my channel, on my YouTube channel, and you guys stood beside me. I will never take you guys for granted. I want to also thank YouTube for giving me this opportunity to share my skills with others. Thank you for this platform. I believe come 2026 I'll have a testimony to give here. Hey, subscribe to my channel, like and comment. Also turn notification bell to get notified. And I want to also hear from you about my video this 2025. Okay, so there is hope for me and there is hope for you also. And if there's any here to improve, let me know also in the comment section. Also turn notification bell. Thank you for watching. See you in 2026.